If I lost everything tomorrow, no savings, no audience, and no product, this is the exact plan I'd use to rebuild to $3,000 a month. And I mean $3,000 coming in consistently, not one lucky payday that disappears the following month. So if you're watching this video after a long shift, already thinking about tomorrow's bills, this video is for you. And I'm not going to tell you to start your agency or somehow go viral. I'm going to show you how I turn one boring skill into something that can pay me more than one. Over the years, I've made about $176,000 selling small digital products. So this isn't a theory I found online. I'll show you the plan, the math, and what this same ladder eventually produced for me because it went well past $3,000. And on this day, the fluorescent lights hummed over Greg from accounting. He clocked in at 9, clocked out at 5, and traded another day for the same paycheck. Nothing about his situation changed. That's why I'd build this one specific way. Most money advice online is built around one-time money. You sell something, you get paid, spend it, and start over next month. Recurring income gives you something to build on. You keep delivering the result, and the same customer can keep paying you. And this part is personal for me. My dad worked third shift for most of my childhood. He missed a lot of my games, and when he was home, he was usually too exhausted to play catch in the street. He worked hard and did what he had to do. He just never had the option to build income outside the hours he could physically work. If he had even a few $100s coming in outside that job, maybe he could have dropped one shift. Maybe I would have gotten a little more of the version of him who wasn't running on 4 hours of sleep and bad gas station coffee. And that's exactly what I'm trying to build here. Before I show you the plan, tell me this. If you had to make $3,000 a month starting today, what's the first thing you'd try? Drop it in the comments. Alright, step 1 is where most people overthink this. Pick one boring skill you already have. Don't go learn a new one. And don't chase whatever happens to be trending this week. Think about the thing your coworkers already come to you for. You've probably done it so many times you barely think of it as a skill. That's your opportunity. Now, $3,000 a month can sound huge until you break it down into customers. It could be 60 people paying you $50, 150 people paying you $20, or 6 businesses paying you $500 a month. Maybe you're an office assistant who keeps everybody's schedule from falling apart. Maybe you're the bookkeeper who can spot a mistake in a report in 30 seconds. Maybe you're the mechanic everybody calls before buying a used car. Or the landscaper who can look at a yard and know exactly what it needs. Maybe you're the warehouse employee who somehow knows where everything is and how to make the whole process run faster. Those are real skills, and you don't need a million followers. You need a specific number of people with one problem you already know how to solve. You've got the skill. Now wrap it into one small offer that solves one specific problem. You're not selling everything you know at once. And keep it simple. Solve one problem, make one clear promise, and charge one price. If you're a mechanic, it might be, I'll inspect a used car before you buy it and tell you what problems to look out for. If you work in an office and you're good with spreadsheets, it might be, I'll clean up your messy data and turn it into a report you can actually use. And if you work in operations, it might be, I'll organize your inventory and create a simple system so your team can find everything faster. Are you seeing the pattern here? You're taking one painful job off someone else's plate. Now, your first solution probably won't be your best one. You might price it too low, word it awkwardly, or change it after real people respond. And that's normal. The offer you launch and improve will always beat the perfect one that never leaves your hard drive. Now, this is a step almost everybody skips. You take that one problem you solve and turn it into something the customer needs every month. For example, if you're a landscaper, don't just clean up somebody's yard once. Create a monthly plan where you keep the property trimmed, cleaned up, and looking good all season. If you work in an office and you're good with spreadsheets, don't just fix one messy file. Become the person who updates reports and keeps the numbers organized every single month. And if you work in service or operations, don't just organize the inventory once. Build a simple monthly system where you can check stock, update the list, and make sure the team doesn't run out of what it needs. Now, it could be a monthly service, a subscription, or even a small membership. The name matters less when continuing to solve the problem. All of this is the same skill. The difference is that now one customer can pay you more than once for the same knowledge. But here's a trade-off. Recurring income usually builds a little slower than one-time sale. A one-time sale gives you money today, and then it's over. Recurring income starts small, but it can stack, double, and triple. If you just keep delivering and customers stay, month 6 can look completely different from month number 1. And this isn't money for doing nothing. It's money from continuing to solve a problem people don't want to deal with. Now, you might be thinking, how are people supposed to find me when I've got no money and nobody knows my name? You're going to make free content about the one problem you solve. That could be short videos, simple posts, or a small channel built around that topic. You're not trying to become famous, you're trying to become findable. You just want the right person to search for their problem and find you explaining it clearly. And I already know the next objection. You're thinking, I don't have an audience, so this isn't going to work for me. But the cool part is, you don't need a huge audience. You need a small number of people who trust you enough to buy and find the result valuable enough to stay. A small list that renews can be more valuable than a huge crowd that watches you once and then forgets you exist. But here's the catch. Free content takes time. You might post for weeks or even months before the right people find you. It's not glamorous, and it's where most people quit. But your job isn't to reach everyone. Your job is to keep solving one problem for the right person. Once people respond to your content, pay attention to what they keep asking for. Those questions usually point toward the product they'd actually buy from you. Package the answer into something simple, like a worksheet, guide, template, or even a small tool. And this is where AI can help you move a little faster. You describe the product in plain English, let AI build the rough version for you, and then you review it and shape it around what people actually need. And if you want help turning your skill into that first simple product, I built Offer Engine for exactly this. It's the first link in the description. But the tool isn't the point. Your skill is the point. AI can package what you know, but the part worth paying for still comes from you. Now you start building it up, one customer at a time. You're not trying to land 60 paying customers on day one. You're trying to land just your first one. The first customer matters more than the money suggests. The moment a stranger pays you for the boring thing that you've been doing for years, something changes in your mind. You stop seeing that skill as just a chore, and you start seeing it as an asset that you actually own. From there, you keep delivering for the customers you already have and add a few more each month. Some of last month's progress can carry over into this month. That gives you something to build on. Keep this destination in your head. $3,000 a month. You reach one customer, then 10, then 30, and you keep climbing. All right, let's put this whole plan together. You start with one boring skill you already have and turn it into a simple way to solve someone's problem. Then you turn it into something people actually need every month. Share helpful content so the right people can find you and build it up one customer at a time. You keep climbing until you reach 60 people paying you $50 a month, or 150 people paying you $20 a month, or 6 businesses paying you $500 a month. That's how you make $3,000 a month. It's not one lucky payday you've got to chase again next week. It's something you built that doesn't automatically reset to zero every month. It's a paycheck you actually own. And you can start doing part of this week. You don't need a huge audience or a brand new skill, because the quiet truth underneath this whole plan is you're not starting from nothing. You're finally deciding to charge for the thing you've been giving away for free your entire working life. Now let me show you the number I promised you at the beginning. One of my reoccurring income streams brings in $5,098.92 every single month. That's well past the $3,000 target we just mapped out. So when I tell you this can work, I'm not repeating a theory. I'm showing you a path I've already followed with real numbers behind it. And no, this didn't happen overnight. It started with one customer paying me a small amount. Then I kept making it better and adding one customer at a time. The skill that you've stopped noticing might be the exact skill somebody else needs. That's the one I'd start with today. Everything I do comes back to one idea. Regular people should have the chance to own their income, not rent it from a job or a platform that could change the rules tomorrow. So if you're building something you control, comment Proof Builder down below. That's what we're building here. And Sunday, I'm sharing one of the harder videos I've had to make. I spent 4 years trying to make faceless YouTube work, and I'm showing you the real numbers, the good, the bad, and what I should have admitted sooner. Now go build the damn thing. Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only, and nothing I've shared is a promise or guarantee that you'll make any money. Your results depend on your offer, your effort, and your experience, and factors that are different for everyone.